How to create Uber driver's account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To create a Uber driver account, you can open up your Uber driver application or even visit the website driver.uber.com. Now in here, before you go ahead and sign up, make sure you fulfill this following requirement. Check for your eligibility. You must be at least of 18 years old and have a valid driver's license with a clean driving record. You may also need to provide proof of residency and vehicle registration. Now, once you match all of these requirements, you can visit the Uber driver website or app and start the registration process by providing your personal information. It will require your name, email address, and phone number. You will also have to upload copies of your driver's license, vehicle registration, and insurance document as requested. You may also need to undergo a background check. Now, once you have fulfilled this criteria of your documentation, you can go ahead and follow the screening process, which will involve answering questions about your driving history and background. By this way, you'll be able to create yourself your Uber driver account. And it is a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.